We are pleased to show you the 2017 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lights, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, battery saver. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.